See, it says easy open. Sun Vista. And look at this. We may have to pour it out. Okay. Shall we try it again?
Let's just try it one more time.
Dana, can you hold the can just to make sure? Okay.
Don't even break that thing, Mama.
Huh. Yeah, we're probably going to break this. This is ridiculous. Maybe we can try to use the can opener now. I doubt it.
See, you try. Oh, yeah, you did. Okay.
I think what we're going to do is just lift this up as high as we can, and pray to God that there's no... Oh, there we go. Easy open can. It must have been gotten at the 99
Don't
cent
cut yourself.
store. Okay.
Because remember,
Okay, now we have to save this juice.
because remember how last time we opened it, last time, from last time we opened it, it was easy. The thing didn't break.
Yeah, but this one sure did.
Yeah.
And even though it says easy open, yeah, easy open my butt.
Yeah.
I'm going to send him a copy of this video. Sun Vista pinto beans, Frijoles pintos. Oh. Let's see where they're made.
And here they're trying to find the masher.
Don't make me spill that juice, Mama.
Okay.
And here Dana's trying to mash the beans. As we get closer, we can see how she mashes her beans.
Well, they're distributed in Arizona, but that doesn't mean they were canned in Arizona.
That is the hardest can to open.
I know.
Yeah. Because the last can we had, Mom, it was easy.
Yes, it was.